Some very interesting facts about eggs that I want to share with you. I will also explain why I emphasize eating more eggs. The first point I want to highlight is that you cannot determine the quality of an egg just by looking at the color of its yolk, especially in today's world. This is because the yolk color can be artificially changed. Various synthetic food colorings can be added to the chicken feed, altering both the color of the meat and the yolk. The natural color of the yolk comes from carotenoids, which are natural color pigments or compounds found in vegetables, fruits, and various plants. These pigments give fruits and vegetables their distinct colors. When chickens naturally consume these fruits and vegetables as part of their diet, their egg yolks tend to have a deeper color compared to those from chickens that are fed processed feed. The nutritional value of eggs and meat depends on how the chickens are raised and what they are fed. Unfortunately, breeders today focus more on raising chickens for size rather than quality. The goal is to grow chickens as quickly as possible because they are sold based on weight. I always recommend consuming organic, free-range eggs and meat. If you have a local seller who raises their own chickens, it's best to buy from them. If you have space at home, you can even raise your own chickens, as they lay a lot of eggs, even in winter when their laying slows down. Now, let's talk about the benefits of eating eggs and why you should include them in your diet. The first major benefit is that the protein in eggs is superior to other proteins. This is in terms of anabolic effect, which means how efficiently the body can use the protein to build muscle tissue. This efficiency is measured as the protein efficiency ratio, PER. The PER value for egg protein is 48, while for meat, chicken, and fish, it is only 32. And for soy protein, it is just 17. If you eat only egg whites, the anabolic effect is just 17. However, if you consume the yolk along with it, this number increases, meaning you get more benefits from the protein. Another important factor is the insulin index, which measures how much a non-carbohydrate food affects insulin levels. Whole eggs, including the yolk, have a much lower insulin effect compared to just egg whites. There is a misconception that egg yolks are high in fats and increase cholesterol levels. However, if you remove the fat from eggs, leaving only protein, similar to whey protein, it can cause a higher insulin spike. This makes eggs a superior and complete protein source compared to other foods. Another amazing benefit of eggs is that they contain a good amount of vitamin K2, which prevents calcium buildup in the arteries and joints. They also contain vitamin D, which works together with vitamin K2, and very few foods naturally provide vitamin D. Eggs are also rich in vitamin E, which is beneficial for heart health and skin. They are packed with vitamin A, particularly in the form of retinol, which is easily absorbed by the body. This pigment gives the yolk its yellow and orange color. Eggs also contain omega-3 fatty acids, especially in eggs from chickens that are allowed to roam freely and eat insects and grass. They are rich in B vitamins such as B1, B2, B3, B6, and B12. Additionally, eggs contain trace minerals and carotenoids, including lutein and zeaxanthin. These pigments are highly beneficial for eye health as they help prevent macular degeneration and reduce the effects of blue light from screens. They also play a role in brain health. A common question is how to cook eggs to retain their maximum nutritional value. Overheating eggs can destroy some of their beneficial compounds. The best way is to cook them using the poaching method. If you boil eggs, cook them just enough so that the yolk remains slightly soft rather than fully hardened. For scrambled eggs, instead of cooking them directly on high heat, crack them into the pan and let the whites begin to cook slightly. Then turn off the heat and mix them in the pan so they cook in the residual heat. This method preserves their nutrition. Some people confuse scrambled eggs with an omelet. In an omelet, the egg is fully cooked and vegetables are usually added, whereas scrambled eggs are prepared differently. You can cook eggs in any way you like, but try not to overheat them. I hope this information proves beneficial to you. See you in the next video. Thank you.